Hey guys, so quick tip today. I'm just going to show you if you're having the same problem I have when you're running your ads and you need to have two-way factor on, but you need to keep it on for the ads, but you really don't want to have to deal with it every day. Here's a quick way to get rid of that. You go to your Facebook page, go to the settings and privacy page. Then you want to click on security and login. Then go to two-factor authentication, look for authorized logins, hit view, and then choose the device that you're currently using. So this device, I'm using my computer right now. So when selecting that, hit close. When you try to log in the next time, you won't have to deal with the two-way anymore. So this only really works if you're using a device, a specific device all the time, or as it showed you, there are multiple devices, like if you're using a phone, iPad, whatever. Just select that device and you won't have to deal with that ever again. So that's my quick tip. Thanks for watching.